Hi, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to enable dark mode on our Facebook account. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. After we open Facebook, we need to click on the person with three stripes in the upper right corner. Then we go down. Here we have settings and privacy. Go here. Then we go to settings. Then we go down a little lower, and here at the end of the preference block there is dark mode. We go here. Here we see two items, on and off. Now it's off and we turn it on, after which our Facebook turns black. This way you can make dark mode on your Facebook account. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.